Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Did you know that a staggering 60% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings? Let's dive into how we can make smart money moves to avoid falling into that statistic. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things finance. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of making smart money moves and how it can positively impact your financial future. When it comes to managing your finances, making smart money moves is essential for long-term financial success. One of the key principles of smart money management is setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart financial goals. By setting clear goals for your money, you can create a roadmap for achieving financial stability and security. One smart money move is creating a budget to track your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can see where your money is going each month and identify areas where you can cut back on spending. This can help you save more money, pay off debt, and reach your financial goals faster. Another smart money move is building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Having an emergency fund can provide a financial safety net in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or other unforeseen events. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund to ensure you are prepared for any financial setbacks. Investing is another smart money move that can help you grow your wealth over time. By investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets, you can earn a return on your money and build wealth for the future. It's important to do your research and seek advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions to ensure you are making smart choices with your money. Paying off high-interest debt is another smart money move that can help you save money in the long run. By paying off credit card debt, student loans, or other high-interest loans, you can reduce the amount of money you are paying in interest each month and free up more money for saving and investing. Saving for retirement is also a smart money move that can help you secure your financial future. By contributing to a 401k, IRA, or other retirement account, you can build a nest egg for your golden years and ensure you have enough money to live comfortably in retirement. Start saving for retirement as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest and maximize your savings potential. This isn't just about saving a few bucks here and there. It's about making strategic, meaningful financial decisions that can transform your financial future. By using the SMART framework, you'll set yourself up for long-term success. Let's get started. 1. What are smart money moves? Breaking down SMART specific, define clear and precise financial goals. Measurable, ensure you can track your progress. Achievable, set realistic and attainable objectives. Relevant, align your goals with your broader financial aspirations. Time-bound, set a deadline to achieve your goals. Example of a SMART goal. Goal, save $10,000 for a payment on a house in 2 years. Specific, save $10,000 for a down payment. Measurable, track savings progress monthly. Achievable, based on current income and expenses, save $407 monthly. Relevant, aligns with the goal of buying a house. Time-bound, achieve within 2 years. 2. Setting smart financial goals. Identify your financial priorities. Short-term goals. Emergency fund, paying off credit card debt, saving for a vacation. Long-term goals. Retirement savings, buying a house, children's education fund. Break goals into manageable steps. Example, if your goal is to pay off $5,000 in credit card debt within a year, monthly payment target, $407. Reduce discretionary spending. Increase income through a side hustle. 3. Tracking and measuring progress tools for tracking budgeting apps. Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, Personal Capital. Spreadsheets, create a personalized financial tracker using Excel or Google Sheets. Financial planners, consider hiring a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Regular reviews, monthly check-ins, review your financial status monthly to ensure you're on track. Adjust as needed. Make adjustments to your plan based on any changes in income or expenses. 4. Achievable and realistic planning. Create a realistic budget. Income and expenses. Document all sources of income and fixed variable expenses. Prioritize savings. Pay yourself first by setting aside a portion of your income for savings. Emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Ensure you have an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. 5. Relevant financial moves. Align goals with life aspirations. Retirement planning. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Debt management. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Investment strategies. Diversification. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Long-term perspective. Focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. 6. Time-bound actions. Set deadlines. Short-term, specific dates for paying off debts or saving for a vacation. Long-term, retirement age, timeline for purchasing a home. Regular contributions. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts to ensure consistency. 7. Practical steps to make smart money moves. Step 1. Assess your financial situation. Net worth calculation. List all assets and liabilities to determine your net worth. Cash flow analysis. Track your income and expenses to understand your spending habits. Step 2. Define clear financial goals. Immediate goals. Build an emergency fund. Pay off high-interest debt. Midterm goals. Save for a down payment. Invest in education. Long-term goals. Retirement planning. Wealth accumulation. Step 3. Create a realistic budget. Essential expenses are housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, discretionary spending, entertainment, dining out, hobbies, savings and investments. Prioritize saving and investing in your budget. Step 4. Choose the right tools. Budgeting apps. Use apps to monitor and control your spending. Investment platforms. Choose reliable platforms for investing your savings. Seek professional advice if needed. Step 5. Monitor and adjust monthly reviews. Regularly review your financial progress and make necessary adjustments. Assess your financial goals annually to stay on track. Protecting your assets with insurance is a smart money move that can provide peace of mind and financial security. By having health insurance, life insurance, auto insurance, and other types of insurance coverage, you can protect yourself and your family from financial hardship in case of accidents, illnesses, or other unexpected events. Making smart money moves is essential for achieving financial success and security. By setting smart financial goals, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, investing, paying off debt, saving for retirement, and protecting your assets with insurance, you can take control of your finances and build a solid foundation for a secure financial future. Remember to seek advice from a financial advisor and do your research before making any major financial decisions to ensure you are making smart choices with your money. In summary, making smart money moves can lead to a more stable financial future. By being intentional with your money, you can build wealth, achieve your goals, and secure your financial well-being in the long run. So, remember, it's never too late to start making smart financial decisions. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on financial literacy and money management. Together, let's make smart money moves and secure a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching.